Welcome to my channel. Today we discuss IP protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol and V4 stands for version 4 IPv4. IP version 4 addresses are 32-bit integers which will be expressed in decimal notation. IPv4 datagram header format is shown here. We will discuss one by one. Version of the IP protocol, 4 bits, which is 4 for IPv4 HLEN, IP header length 4 bits, which is the number of 32-bit words in the header. The minimum value for this field is 5 and the maximum is 15. Type of service, low delay, high throughput, reliability 8 bits. Total length. Length of header or data 16 bits, which has a minimum value 20 bytes and the maximum is 65,535 bytes. Identification. Unique packet ID for identifying the group of fragments of a single IP datagram which is 16 bits. Flags. 3 flags have 1 bit each. Reserved bit must be 0, do not fragment flag, more fragments flag. Fragment offset represents the number of data bytes ahead of the particular fragment in the particular datagram. Specified in terms of number of 8 bytes, which has the maximum value of 65,500. Time to live. Datagram's lifetime 8 bits. It prevents the datagram to loop through the network by restricting the number of hops taken by a packet before delivering to the final destination. Protocol. Here name of the protocol to which the data is to be passed up a layer protocol such as TCP or UDP header checksum. 16 bits header checksum for checking errors in the datagram header. Source IP address, 32 bits IP address of the sender. Destination IP address, 32 bits IP address of the receiver. Optional information such as source route, record route. Used by the network administrator to check whether a path is working or not. Due to the presence of options, the size of the datagram header can be of variable length from 20 bytes to 60 bytes.